generic campaign is being replaced by a targeted campaign. And a well-targeted campaign is, as we all know, the ultimate recipe to success. I don't think the generic campaign that speaks of generic issues. That's why in a strange way in the 2024 Lok Sabha, the Viksit Bharat campaign of the government didn't work as effectively. Because what does Viksit Bharat mean? Saying 400 par was a mistake. Because voters and potential voters wanted to know 400 par ka matlab kya mere liye? What does it mean for me? You want to win 400 par to break some record of Rajiv Gandhi. But what does it mean to me? He said, if you had said 400 par, har ghar mein nal, har ghar jal, you have to give me something concrete. The voter, like the consumer, is turning increasingly transactional. He has no great brand loyalty, whether to a political party or indeed to a brand. He will go with a brand or a party which is giving him something special, something extra that is at that moment means the world to him. There is more than slogans, it's about narrative building. It's not enough to have a slogan. You see, you can have a very catchy, well-crafted slogan. The slogan must be followed up by some tangible benefit I can get out of the slogan. As I said, the Indian voter, the Indian consumer has become transactional. He or she will not be impressed only by a slogan. Now, slogans work two ways. They work on fear or they work on hope. Samvidhan Khatre Mein Hai worked on fear. Modi ki guarantee Viksit Bharat worked on hope. Sometimes fear can trump hope. The one community where there was a big shift in the 2024 elections was among Dalits. Dalits were the group which felt that Samvidhan Khatre Mein Hai meant reservations will go. And there is absolutely no doubt in my mind that the one thing that people who are the beneficiaries of reservation fear the most, reservations being taken away. So it actually worked on the basis of fear. So different slogans might work differently at different times. There is no one common idea.